last question our friend made is, I heard that to Daven Mincha, Mincha, especially between 3 and 3:30 in the morning, now that the winter is nearing, and sunset is around 4:30. Does this have an effect on the ideal time to Daven Mincha?
No, that's ideal time. We don't go by time, but we're going by the latest time. Was the earliest time? So the earliest time to Daven Mincha in general, Daven it's praying, half an hour after the noon. So and noon is seasonal noon. It's not 12 p.m. It's seasonal noon. I mean in the seasonal hours is in summer it's I don't know, like 1:30 could be 1:20, right? And in the winter it could be 12:30, like depends. I did not check this time one time, so I don't know exactly what is it right now, but it's very different. Sometimes it's 1 hour and 15 minutes, like in our time, like difference between winter and summer. So huge difference. So we go by this time. What is the time? Like latest time, it's proper to Daven Mincha before the sunset. So and actually, our sages say, Mishnah Brura says, so if let's say they wait for number 10 guy, or they're waiting for a rabbi or somebody is important, and the sunset is approaching, so they say better for you to daven by yourself than with minyan, but after the sunset. That's what we try to follow, right? Of course, there is some Hasidim, they actually daven mincha, and it is allowed until the very late. Until almost night. It's like they go by 72 minutes, so, and they would daven mincha like even 3 minutes before the 72 minutes, like after it's completely night. And several times in my life I had to rely on that opinion. I was very late, was busy with million things, and there is one place, they call it Minion Factory, right, where I live. They constantly, they have mincha every 10 or 15 minutes. Like constantly. People finish, they go working out, other people coming in. It's like non-stop. So all of them, my guests would come to me, like from different countries, from different cities. Like I don't have guests any longer, but they used to come. I would take them there, and it was like mind blowing. So because of where they live, they think that Judaism is dead. But you see, you go to this place and you see that Judaism life and very alive. So, right, every 15 minutes of almost complete whole, complete. So meaning a few hundred people every 15 minutes. And the next one already waiting. This goes out, they come in, go out, in. Same with the shacharis. On shacharis, they have two floors, two shacharis. I mean, maybe there is another room. I don't know. I'm aware only about 2 rooms. So in that place, yes, they daven very late mincha. So I daven. Since there is they have their own paskim, they rely on this, and it was the emergency situation for me. Like I did not want to daven by myself for whatever reason. It was stuck somewhere, so I rely on that opinion that you can daven mincha even that late, right? But so we don't go by about like regular time. Time is irrelevant. What the matter is the time from which to which you're allowed to pray mincha. If it's 3 till, as our friend said, 3 p.m., 4 p.m., whatever is it. So I'm going to mincha, like in my shul, it's 4:35 this week. So meaning I think it's 10 minutes before the sunset. So I mean you can finish for sure Shemona Esrei, and maybe the repetition of the Shemona Esrei you don't finish, or at least start. So but the main part is done before the sunset, for sure. That's and then after the sunset, it is allowed to pray Maariv. So I mean, of course, it's not ideal way. The ideal way to pray after the nightfall, it's understandable. But what I do, I always repeat the Shema, always, absolutely always. I repeat Shema after the nightfall. So you cannot go wrong. Okay, what else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
By the way, about this question about the Mincha, I said 3:30 a.m. and it was 3:30 p.m.
PM, yeah, no, but
Sorry.
But we got the, we got the point, yes. Mm-hmm.
Sorry about that. So, okay, the next question says, Shem Kovaraf, could the Rabbi help us with a few questions about prayers? Number one, Bedtime Shema. What does the phrase, and a double-edged sword is in their hand mean?
I mean, I have to look at the commentary. It's a double-edged sword. But we have to look at the commentary. I would not say like from the memory. I don't know. What else?
The second question says about Adon Olam.
Mm-hmm.
What does the phrase, the portion in my cup on the day I call, mean?
Again, it's a very specific question. We have to look at the commentary what it says. It could be even in a siddur. If not, we have to look at the source. In the art scroll, they put the sources like a small letters, small characters like digits, and you can always go to the original and see the commentary on that verse. I would not like this. I would not remember all these things. Okay, what else?
And the third one, and the first Shema blessing, why does it say HaShem prepared and worked on the rays of the sun?
Okay, so I don't have siddur here to check the wording. I'm not sure. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. Go ahead.